Get strong.
I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a quick video in which I'm going to demonstrate how to change the batteries of your car key fob. So I think this is a topic which I've seen that a lot of people struggle with and they don't do it right and they end up damaging their key fobs. So I'm going to use the example of my Honda keys, and the process is pretty much same for all the keys out there. So without wasting any time, let me go inside and take you through the process. All right, so here's the key for my Honda Civic, and the process is going to be pretty much similar for most of the car keys out there. So first of all, you have to locate a button. This would be at the back of the key or side of the key. In my case, it's at the back. And then you will take out this conventional key, which basically goes in case the battery is completely dead. So let's keep it aside. Now, first of all, ensure that there are no screws. So I don't see any small screw over here. In some of the cars, you might find the screws on the key, but Honda doesn't have one. So all you have to do is just hold it on both the sides, use your thumb and fingers to put the pressure and it will pop out. Don't try to pull it with a lot of force, otherwise you might end up breaking the case. Now you will see that there is the battery over here. It's a 3-volt battery and it is by Panasonic company. It's also, the code of the battery is CR2032. So this is very common 3-volt battery. You can find it with any battery company over there. But make sure that you replace it with a good battery company. In my case, I am going to be using Duracell. I'm not promoting it, it's just that I found Duracell easily available, so I got one for myself. So let me pull it out, and I got this pack of 12 batteries for about $12. So it's not that costly. It's going to be like $2 or $3 per battery if you take a single battery. But now I have spares. And I've seen in many videos on YouTube where people are using scissors or other sharp objects to take the battery out. But I recommend please don't do that. Please only use plastic. It can be any makeshift thing. But I'm using this pry tool over here, which is going to help me take the battery out. And all you have to do is focus over here. So in case of Honda, here are the two plastic kind of thing which is covering it, and you'll see two over here which are smaller compared to the one on this side. So that means if I apply pressure on the side where I have smaller clips, the battery will come out very easily. And also, because here are all the buttons, make sure that you keep pressure on the back of this entire assembly. Otherwise, this piece will come out and you will have to reassemble the buttons. So now let's quickly take the battery out. Just insert it over here. It's gonna take a slight push. And if you would have noticed, this cover was coming up. So that's the reason I asked you guys to put the pressure on the back. And now just replace it with the other battery. Make sure that you insert it on the side where there are bigger clips. That's it. Now all we have to do is put the cover back, press it properly, ensure that you hear nice sound on all sides. Yep, this looks fine. Oh, yep. Yep, this looks good. Yep, that's it. That's pretty much it. And I can put my conventional key back, and I am ready to go. So yeah, this was very simple, no rocket science, but just ensure that you are using something plastic to take the key out. All right. So this was all from this short video, and I hope you gained a valuable information today. So next time when you have to change the battery of your car keys, then you won't have to worry about it and you can do it with all the confidence. I'll wrap this video up by thanking you all for supporting the channel, and for more such experiences, stay tuned. See you guys next time. Till then, take care and stay safe.